In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a card without archiving in Trello. Trello is a great tool for organizing projects, tasks, and ideas, but sometimes you might find yourself with a card that you no longer need. Whether it's a completed task, outdated information, or simply a duplicate, knowing how to delete a card is an essential part of keeping your boards tidy and manageable. In this tutorial, I'll walk you step by step through the process of permanently removing a card from your Trello board. Let's get started. First, locate and open the card you want to delete on your Trello board. This can be any card that you've created and no longer need. Simply click on it to expand the card and view its details. Once the card is open, you'll see all the options and information associated with it. Next, look toward the top right corner of the card there. You'll find an icon represented by 3 dots. This is the More Options menu. Go ahead and click on that icon to open up a drop-down menu filled with additional settings and actions for your card. From this menu, select the option labeled Archive. Archiving the card is a necessary step before you can proceed to delete it. Don't worry, archiving doesn't permanently delete the card. It simply moves it out of your active board view for now. Once you've clicked Archive, the card will appear grayed out, indicating that it's been archived. After archiving, you'll notice a new option that becomes available. Delete. This option appears immediately after the card has been archived. Go ahead and click on Delete to move to the final step of the process. Finally, Trello will ask you to confirm the deletion. A pop-up or confirmation window will appear, making sure you really want to permanently remove the card. Once you're certain, confirm the deletion, and the card will be permanently deleted from your board. Keep in mind that once a card is deleted, it cannot be recovered, so double-check before confirming. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you'll be able to delete unwanted cards from your Trello boards quickly and easily, helping you keep your workspace clean and organized. If you're new to Trello and don't already have an account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and start managing your projects today. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.